So we'll be cleaning this data set. We are cleaning this data set. I've gotten lots of replies. I've gotten lots of feedback concerning this. Marian, how did you clean the dates? Marian, how did you clean the dates column? Date is this, the date is that. So for today, the first thing we'll be looking at, first of all, is how to clean the dates column for this particular data set. Okay, so now let us start. I'm going to highlight all of this. I'll click on format and I'll click on auto fits column because I want everything to fit. So whenever I start cleaning, one of the things I do is to always have a duplicate of my data set, right? So I'm just going to move to the end, create a copy, and I'll click on OK. So I'll work with this sheet too. I'm going to rename this. I'll call it raw. Whichever works for you, that's fine. So first of all, I'm going to insert my filter, Shift Control L. So we have our invoice ID, customer name, gender, product category, product name, quantity, unit price, total amount, payment method, dates, and location. So this is the almighty dates column that have been giving all of us issues. So we are going to attend to it. So we'll be looking at three methods today, three methods on how to do this. So if you have the latest version of Excel, the first method might work for you or not. But if you have older versions like myself, then this would work for you, hopefully. So one of the reasons why we're unable to convert this, for this particular one, Excel is not seeing it as a date in any way. It's in a wrong format. Wrong format. So it's our job to adjust that. So starting with method one, I'm going to highlight this. I'll highlight this. I'll go over to data. I'll click on text to column. Our limited is already ticked. Click on next again. And I would click on dates. I want it to be, let's say, month, year, day. Is that what I want? No, honestly. Let's do, yeah, this. So I want it to be on M. Destination should be M, right? So I'm going to click on finish. So now I have my dates column on N. If we look through this particular one still having the same issue, so we have to adjust. Some individuals might just click on home, click on general, and click on long dates, and voila, this might work for them. So this is not working for us. Let us look at our second method. Okay, so let me use this for our second method. For our second method, I'm going to click on data again. So if you're highlighting this and you have a filter on, you need to remove your filter. Take note. So I'm going to click on from table to range. I'll click on OK, and now it has taken me to Power Query. So Havila complains she does not have Power Query on her Excel. So I believe the third one would work for her. And for Cindy that is also having issues with hers, the third one would work perfectly for her also. Now we have, this is what we have, just our dates column. I'm going to go over to transform and we have data type any. I would click on this and I'll click on date, right? Voila, this works. This just works for me. So I'm going to click on file. I'll click on close and load to. So now I do not want this on a new worksheet. I want this on an existing worksheet and I do not want it in M. I want it in, okay, let's leave it in M. All right, so it cannot overlap. I have to change this. So I'll change this to O, right? Or give me a minute. Let me use N. All right, so it's getting our data. And now it's been sorted. So for our third one, what we'll be doing for our third one is is, yeah, this is our third method. Okay. So I'm going to close this. I want I want columns here. Right click, insert. So this might be lengthy, but this is one of the ways you can actually get it out. All right. So we'll be using, first of all, we'll be using the mid function. For this function, it helps us to extract a text from the middle. Okay. And first of all, I need to filter. I need to filter. I'm going to move down and I'll filter for the rows that are not working properly. Okay, now let us use the mid function. So this extracts our text from the middle. So what text do we want to extract? This and start number. So 22 starts from 6, okay? And the number of character, we just want 2 characters only. I'll click on this, drag down. Now, second one, we'll be using our left function. For our left function, we want to extract our text from the left-hand side. And the number of character we want is 4. We want just 4 characters. Drag down and equal to. So we'll be using our right function. And for our right function, we want 4 as well. So 4, drag down. So the next thing we are going to do is concat. So we are going to use concat. And what concat helps us to do is to basically join our text together. All right. So text one, I want June, sorry, 22 first. And at the same time, I want a space in between. So I'm going to use my double quotes. For my text three, I want June, put a comma, double quotes. I want a space there. And for my text 5, I want 2025. I'm going to close this. I'm going to drag down. What we are going to do is we are going to copy this and we are going to paste it as values, right? I'm going to come here, getting a new sheet, and I'm going to I'm going to paste this as values, all right? I'm going to paste as values. So whenever I copy this, if I copy this and I try to paste here, I'm going to get an error. So let us look at the error together. The issue with this is what I can do is to paste for one cell per time, and that is not what we want to do, right? So what we are going to do is we'll select this, go to find and select, click on visible cells only, okay, and we'll paste as values. So voila, we have this now. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to clear the dates. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to insert a column here. I'll go back to text column, dates. I want the destination to be K. It's loading. And voila, this has been sorted out. Let me click on home. Long dates. We have our long dates. Short dates. We have our short dates. So we are good to go. Good to go, good to go, good to go. Now all we have to do is delete this and delete the other columns that are not needed. and we are done.